Hey, Roy Avery here with Avery's All In, and we have Lisa Avery behind the camera. And guess what? Lisa bought us a storage unit today.
I did.
$60.
I did. Yes.
So let's see if we can make some money off of this. You want to see? You ready? You ready?
Yes.
You ready? Oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe for more. Give us a thumbs up. If you like what you see, share the video. There it is. Quick clean out. Oh, we did get this unit. I didn't think we did. This is one of the big reasons we got that unit right there.
Is there going to be anything in it?
Oh.
But I saw that box down there. There's something. I don't know what that is. And there's 2 air conditioners in this unit. It is August 1st. We'll be able, if they work, we'll be able to sell those. So lickety split.
Yep.
So
let's get started.
Let's get started. We got lots of bags to go through.
Yes, we do. And what do we? Oh,
is that a Tiffany box? Is that a Tiffany box?
That's a Tiffany box. The
Please
question
let
is,
there be something in it.
Oh, but we
Tiffany
can see
perfume.
Yep.
That is a good sign right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Makes me wonder what else could be in here. Oh, we could be
Versace. Ooh, there's a couple pieces in there.
Yeah. Oh, that smells good too.
All right, hold on a second. I'm going to go right over here because we did see some bottles of perfume or cologne right there. So I'm excited that there's going to be some good brand names in here.
Yep.
Oh gosh, I thought that was a cat.
Oh.
It's a hairpiece. That's a pillow.
Yep.
Hopefully there's no cats in this bag.
Hopefully not.
Why we wear gloves.
Yep.
What is that?
Because look at that. Yep. That's why we wear gloves. But here is, there's the tea. And we have, well, that's not the Versace. Here's Blue by Kenneth Cole.
Okay.
That's so empty, though.
Definitely spend some money on their
nice little Rubik's Cube.
Who is that Cavs. On there? Oh, Cleveland Cavaliers.
So this looks like it's this.
Ooh, Dolce and Gabbana.
Oh. All right. Let's see. Move this aside. Let's see what we find.
What is it?
Oh. Well.
Oh, it looks costume, but you know what? It's not all costume, probably. There's probably some good stuff in there. Yeah. There's probably some good stuff in there because of what we're finding. There could be Tiffany pieces in there.
Yeah, there could be anything in here.
That has a name on the tag. Yeah. Can you read it?
No, I can't, but...
I see Chanel logos, but...
brooches. Look at that. So...
oh, wow. That'll be fun to go through. We'll have to go through that with a fine-tooth comb. Yep.
We'll have to put that aside because that's going to be set with the jewelry box there.
Man, there's some... I see Nike. What's that? A hat?
It's just a hat.
Okay.
But
it's not in bad shape.
Yeah, you can wash those and make some money that way. Put it on eBay or something. Yeah, this is more like a... everything else is kind of more like toiletries. And
it's just like garbage, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to go through that with a fine-tooth comb, too.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm going to see if this...
Who in the world is this?
Hey, oh, my God.
Hey.
Who did we find?
You found those that are full of good stuff.
Okay.
Which is what's in here. So far, we just got started, but a little bit of costume.
Look what the first thing we pulled out was.
Listen to this.
Wow. A Tiffany box. There's nothing in it.
I hear it. Are you going to open it now or are you saving it for later?
I'm saving it for later.
Saving it for later.
Because y'all got to wait and see. You're going to have to wait. Believe me, you're going to want to see it. So make sure you watch till the end.
Watch till the end.
So how's everything for you guys? Taking a break already or?
We got a couch, a chair, and a love seat on carts. We're going to go load it. And then we're going to go get the washer and dryer.
There was a couch, a chair, and a love seat in that unit? Oh, that's good though.
Yeah, it was.
It's all nice.
Nice.
There's nothing wrong. It just needs cleaning.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
You're sweating, buddy.
Yeah, I know. She's got me working
I'm
hard.
going to be sweating.
Right,
All right,
right.
I'm ready. Let's see it. I'm excited.
All right. What's in it?
Something's coming out of the bottom.
As long as it's not a mouse, we're good.
Well,
So,
all kinds of stuff.
binders, just regular paperwork. We got jeans. It just looks like a hodgepodge of stuff in here. Paperwork.
There's a lot of paperwork there. Yeah.
We
It's
got
like a couple purses.
Ooh.
with paperwork in it. Yep, paperwork. What's it? Ooh.
Reebok. That looks like brand new.
It does, yeah.
I mean, even for $10, you know.
Yeah.
What else do we have? Breathing machine. Victoria's Secret bag. What's in here? Whoa.
Oh.
That is. There we are.
Oh my gosh, those are really cute.
And they're brand new.
Yep.
They're like Cinderella slippers. Cinderella
They're
slides.
really cute. They're size 9, everybody.
In case anybody's interested.
In case. Those are adorable. Really cute.
I don't know. There's just a lot in the bag, and I don't want to dump it.
Yeah.
But
I
it's
don't
built.
blame you
I see
there.
some garbage in here, like an open wrapper. So, yeah.
I know. What is that?
It's
It looks like a
box.
box.
It's a washcloth.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He's just going to rip it.
We're going to cut to it.
I don't think you need to pull it out.
It's an empty box.
Darn.
More Victoria's Secret stuff, though. Bags.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is a unit that we're going to have to like go through.
Yeah.
What's that,
That's the problem with the bags.
Because, yeah.
Bags are awful. Especially when they're the big contractor bags.
Yeah.
And there's that much stuff in
Yeah.
them. They're horrible.
Well,
What's next?
as we see, there's a lot of bags, but I think what we'll probably do after going through that one is we'll crack it open, see if there's anything good, and we'll just have to fine-tooth comb it at the
Yeah.
warehouse because we can't pour it out right here.
Yeah.
So,
You know, just dump all.
and that's one of the things with buying storage units. Like you buy them, and depending on space, you may be able to go through everything, but then like a bag unit like this, you're dumping the bags. What's in this next one? All right. Well, they definitely made sure it was tied right. And see, this is why we'll have to go to the warehouse because we're finding little things like, look at that. It says Louis Vuitton. It wouldn't surprise me if it's not official, but people still buy this. We can throw it in our auction.
Yep.
There's a hat in this one.
Okay. But like new with tags, like there's still tags on that hat. So this is brand
Poppet
new.
Maker, that's brand new. Here's more shoes. North Face. Ooh, those are actually
cute.
good.
Look at those.
That's a good brand there. And
Oh, those are brand new. Still with the tags on.
right.
That looks like a bag or a purse.
It's a
with
bag.
a whole bunch of stuff in it that we'll have to go through. Looks
Right.
like a lot of paperwork.
A lot of paperwork. So, and then down at the bottom, as we get down there, there's more clothes. So
Okay.
this here looks like bathroom rug.
And a scale
yep.
that just slammed against the wall. That will probably just go right in the garbage. Not the scale, but the bathroom rug.
Here's a Pro Scan TV or monitor. Move that out the way so I don't trip over the cord. Oh,
That sounded like it had stuff in it, not
it's still got some cloth in here because I see a little braided rug. But
yeah, there's a rug.
there's
Another rug.
oh, that's a hot. That's what that was.
Maybe this is kitchen.
Pillow. I mean, this is clothes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, this looks like somebody had to pack really quickly.
Yep.
There wasn't a lot of time for organization. This one looks...
I heard a little...
Ooh, that sounds like glass.
Yep.
Maybe this is more kitchen stuff.
Well, here's
There's a purse.
Yep.
Do you have your knife? Like, can you cut these bags open?
Yeah, but I don't want to cut it too much. That's his.
Michael Kors.
Yep. And this is loaded with something.
Let me guess.
Paperwork.
Paperwork.
Let's see.
It doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Man, that's where they kept their paperwork in their purses.
Yeah, a lot of paperwork in here.
Yeah, we'll have to go through
But we'll have to go through it because there's... Oh, that's Jack Casino. So you just never know what you find in that, though.
Gift cards and...
Yep. All right. And I see a towel and a couple other bags. Yeah, here's another one.
There's another purse.
Yeah. And
that's not a pocket.
Oh, there it is.
That just has newspaper in it.
Yeah. So
maybe just to keep it shape.
And that is Aldo, is what it says on that one.
Okay.
So, all right. Oh yeah, we had this box that was in the middle there. Was there anything in it?
Tie-tacks.
Cufflinks.
Cufflinks, yeah.
All right. I mean, this was a quick clean out. So, and I was trying to figure out what these red things were in the corner, and basically they're struts.
Oh, so they're scrap metal, basically?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Paperwork. What's in this basket? Because I saw some clothes. Shirt. Here we are. This is... Well, this looks empty. Yep. This is empty. So basically, they kept the empty bottles, it seems. This is empty. It says Burberry.
All that's expensive stuff, though, but
right.
It's all empty.
I'll take that penny, though.
Yep.
All right. Because every penny counts.
Yep.
This looks like...
the bedding.
Yep. It's a clear bag.
And a couple rugs in there.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And a spider.
We don't want that.
Nope. That can stay here.
Yep.
Yep, here we are. This is all of your kitchen stuff.
Oh, there we go. Pots and pans.
Yep. So I don't need to pull that out.
Ew, it looks like it still has food in it.
Yep. It's still dirty. Here's some more linens and clothes. And here are the struts. That's what these are, which, you know, I don't know if we can just toss them out because they are under pressure.
Oh, under pressure.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
So
We'll have to figure out what to do with those.
yeah, now it's easy to figure out. They got a tool that clamps it down so that you can take it apart and relieve it of the pressure or of the tension. This is just a air conditioner. What do we have in here? Anything good? The only thing with cutting it is if you cut it too much, the bag might spill out, but we'll try not to go too deep on it, right? Paperwork, newspapers in here with a shoe.
Little fanny pack.
Yep, little baby fanny pack. A lot of paperwork. We're going down in this and seeing. Here's some pillows. What is this?
Jacket.
Leather jacket, yep. But here's a bag here.
Like a purse bag?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll take this back to the warehouse and we'll film more in detail.
Yeah, there's the air fryer, a little small one, but air fryer nonetheless. What do we have in here? Hey, we got gloves. That is a card. A debit card. Yep. So look, we got a box of gloves we can use moving forward.
We always need those.
Yep. Hey, a Verizon tablet, but it's broken. Paperwork in there. More paperwork. Is this in here? It's a little candy magic. Oh, there it is.
Interesting.
Looks like oh, there's the top lid. Yeah, that's cool. You know, we could put this on the counter for people that come in for our pickups. We wanted to put some little gumballs in there. I'm sure somebody wouldn't mind. And this is clothes. There's a Nike shirt. All right. This one has a tag on it. So that's new with tags. Oh, little hoodie. So nothing major in here. Just
all right,
clothes.
Quick clean out.
And now to our last little surprise. The reason we bought this. All right, let's see. All right. Now, let's see. Oh, look at this. Exactly.
It is loaded. Is anything real? That's the question. There's an old lighter down there.
Yeah, this here has a marking on the back. But
let me see.
Looks like it says 10K on it. Anything else? Look at this. All right here. Pins, earrings, watches. Oh, yeah, here's that lighter you were talking about. Meteor.
Bronson.
Ooh, nice. Could you imagine carrying that around in your pocket?
That's not a pocket lighter.
I know. And what's in the drawer here? Look at that. More. So we're going to actually have to go through all of this a lot better.
Every single piece we're going to have to look at.
Yeah. See if we find anything. Because really, $60 is not much to have to come up with. And I guarantee some of this will get us there and the rest will be all profit.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Look at that piece.
Cool. Cool vintage piece. Definitely some brooches in here. That's a pendant.
Yeah, we're going to have to untangle it and see. Maybe we might find some 925 silver in here. Maybe we'll find... Oh, here's a dime. So we're finding more money.
What about in the little pouch behind the top? Is there anything stuck in there?
Nope, nothing stuck in here.
Okay.
Just that pen. And yeah. Well, I think this could turn into something better than we thought in the first place. I know I saw the jewelry box and it wasn't going for much. So Lisa jumped on it and...
For $60? How do you think we did?
Don't forget, subscribe for more.